Hello friend, I am Alex, as a technical advisor. So welcome to our YouTube channel Onlive Server. So today I am discussing about what are the differences between the on-premises server and on cloud server. So we have plus 30 data center location. We have to set up our own cloud database. Okay, and rest of we have our server on our local premises. So one of the query I have received, one of my customer, I have to need the server on the on-premises and other one on cloud. On the on-premises server, there is the differences that we have provided some of the privilege to our client, and in cloud scenario we have provided all the privilege like the reboot, stop, start, and there is a change, that is the client change anything on the server, and we also provide the IPMI and the KVM basis console services where client can manage all your services. So now we have to come to the scenario. We have to go to the today discussion about the Norway VPS plan. We have provided Norway VPS in on-premises basis, on cloud basis. So we have to go to the website onliveserver.com. Okay, so when we have to go to the VPS plan, then all service plan, then we have to select here Norway. Okay, so there is a Norway VPS plan is mentioned here. So we have customized plan and the rest of 3XYZ which is a predefined plan. So we cannot change anything first to third, and the last one we can customize according to core, RAM, hard disk. We have to downgrade, not a downgrade, we have to upgrade the hard disk, RAM and core, and the price will be increased according to your choice. Okay, and this is the on-premises server, and we have to go to the cloud. Okay, in cloud scenario we have to check Norway VPS plan. That's main thing. Client can manage all the things of their VPS on Norway location without any go to the support to our online server. That means she can manage stop server, reboot server, down server, and also we have provided the KVM based IPMI, that is the client can access to your base machine of your VPS and manage all the things. Sometimes you have to check your SSL service not able to ping outside the network. That means we have to go to the base machine and perform the SSL service operation. That's the time client have to ping to the support department, and our support team will resolve the issue. In the second case, client, if you have to control over your VPS full control, then you have to go to the base machine by the console and manage all the SS service, WHM service, web service, database service, all the service by the console. Okay, so we have two plans on our premises, local premises and cloud premises in Norway, and rest of the plan Italy, Japan, India, and Australia and France. We have also plus 11 data center where we have to set up our cloud environment. So if you searching for the France, Germany and USA, South Korea and rest of the data center location in cloud environment, so go to the website Onlive Server. We have the cheapest plan. We have to go, you can check also, go to another website and check the customized plan, XYZ plan. We have provided the cheapest plan among all the websites. So if there is any query regarding the plan scenario, you have to also ping us on our YouTube official website. You have text message if you need any query regarding this, or if you want to more video about the technical terms and the related the plan of this Norway and other location, you can also ping here without any hesitation. So like this video, share this video. Thanks for watching.